This dance is called Cut Loose. It's a 64 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 1 tag and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, we walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Into a step lock step, right foot leads. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right, shuffle forward on the left. That set of steps once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, step, lock, step, step, pivot, left shuffle. Walk forward on the right again, right, left, into a step, lock, step, right foot leading, step, lock, step. Mambo quarter turn. So you're going to rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right, make a quarter turn left as you step that left to the side, brush the right forward. That set of steps once more, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, step, lock, step, mambo, turn, brush. Let's add those 2 sections together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, step, lock, step, step, pivot, left shuffle. Walk, walk, step, lock, step, mambo, turn, brush. Into a jazz box with a cross. So you cross the right over, step back on the left, right to the side, cross the left over the right. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a weave, crossing the right over the left, stepping the left to the side, cross the right behind. That set of steps once more, then jazz box with a cross, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind. Add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, step, lock, step, step, pivot, left shuffle. Walk, walk, step, lock, step, mambo, turn, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind. Make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that left, step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Step the right forward on the diagonal, drag the left and tap beside the right. Step the left forward on the diagonal, drag the right and tap the right beside the left. Now set of steps once more, then quarter turn off on the left. 7, 8, turn, step, pivot, step, drag, step, drag. Now you are doing the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn in this section with that quarter turn and then the step, pivot, a half. Should you need to try and take out that combination of steps, what you can actually do is turn yourself a quarter, but turn a quarter right instead of left, stepping that left back, then just rock back on the right, recover, pick up with everybody else with your side tap, side tap. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 turn out from that section. So let's add that to the top, that's our halfway point. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, step, lock, step, step, pivot, left shuffle. Walk, walk, step, lock, step, mambo, turn, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, drag, step, drag. So the second half of the dance starts off with a rocking chair, right foot leading. So rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Chasse to the right, rock back on the left, recover on the right. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, right chasse, back rock. Kick ball crosses, 2 of them, left foot leading. Kick ball cross, kick ball cross. Chasse to the left, left chasse. Into a reverse rocking chair. So you're going to rock back, recover, then rock forward and recover. So a reverse rocking chair. That set of steps once more then, kick ball cross off on the left. 7, 8, kick ball cross, left chasse, rocking chair. Remember, it's a backward rocking chair. Add those 2 sections together then, rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, right chasse, back rock. Kick ball cross, left chasse, rocking chair. Shuffle half a turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a coaster step, back, close, step. That set of steps once more then, half shuffle over the right shoulder. 7, 8, half shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Add that to our halfway point. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, right chasse, back rock. Kick ball cross, left chasse, reverse rocking chair. Half shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Shuffle 3/4 of a turn over your right shoulder. So you make half a turn right as you step that right forward, step the left beside the right, make a further quarter of a turn right as you step that right forward. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, step back on the left, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, forward rock off on the right into that 3/4 of a shuffle. 7, 8, forward rock, turn shuffle, forward rock, back touch. Now it is by virtue of its name, 3/4 of a turn in that shuffle. If you wish to try and take that out, what you can actually do, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. You effectively step back on the right, left beside the right, make that quarter turn left as you step that right forward. So you're effectively just shuffling quarter of a turn to the left instead of to the right. So non-turning steps should you need to take that 3/4 of a turn out in that section. Otherwise, let's add that to our halfway point. That ends the dance. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, right chasse, back rock. Kick ball cross, left chasse, rocking chair. Half shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn shuffle, forward rock, back touch. That's our 2 halves. Let's put them together. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, step, lock, step, step, pivot, left shuffle. Walk, walk, step, lock, step, mambo, turn, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, touch, rocking chair, right chasse, back rock, kick ball cross, left chasse, rocking chair. Half shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, three-quarter turn, forward rock, back touch. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, step, lock, step, step, pivot, left shuffle. Walk, walk, step, lock, step, mambo, turn, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, drag, step, drag, rocking chair, right chasse, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, left chasse, rocking chair, half shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, forward rock, back touch, walk, walk, step, lock, step, step, pivot, left shuffle, walk, walk, step, lock, step, mambo, turn, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, touch, step, tap, rocking chair, right chasse, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, left chasse, rocking chair, half shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, forward rock, back touch, walk, walk, step, lock, step, step, pivot, left shuffle, walk, walk, step, lock, step, mambo, turn, brush, cross, back, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, drag, rocking chair, right chasse, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, left chasse, rocking chair, half shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, forward rock, back touch. So that's your dance. Now there is one tag and restart in this dance. It comes in wall 3 after 8 counts. So wall 3 is actually your 6 o'clock wall. You'll be facing 12 o'clock when you come to do the tag. So the tag, quite simply, is a rocking chair, right foot leading, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. And then you do 2 step pivot halves. So step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left. Single count timing. So it's rocking chair, 1, 2, 3, 4, step pivots, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now clearly that double step pivot half is the equivalent of a full turn. If you need to take that out, just turn it into another rocking chair. So you end up doing 2 rocking chairs as part of your tag. Non-turning steps should you need to adjust that section. And then once you've done that, you restart. So let's have a go at wall 3, 8 counts, add on the tag, restart so you can see how it fits in. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, step, look, step, step, pivot, left shuffle tag, rocking chair, step, pivot, restart, walk, walk, step, look, step, step, pivot, left shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. 8 counts into wall 3, tag and restart. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, step, look, step, step. Pivot, left shuffle. Walk, walk, step, look, step. Mambo, turn, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, drag, rocking chair. Right chasse, back, rock, kickball cross, left chasse, rocking chair. Half shuffle, forward rock, sister step, forward rock, turn shuffle, forward rock, and back touch, walk, walk, step up, step, pivot, left shuffle, walk, step up, step, mountain bend, turn, brush, cross, back, side rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, step, rocking chair. Right chasse, back rock, kickball cross, slide chasse, rocking chair. Half shuffle, forward rock, sister step, forward rock, turn shuffle, forward rock, and back touch, walk, should restart wall and tag, rocking chair, step pivots. Restart, walk, step, look, step, pivot, left shuffle, walk, step, look, step, mambo, turn, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, drag, rocking chair. Right chasse, back, walk, kickball cross, left chasse, rocking chair. Half shuffle, forward rock, sister step, forward rock, turn shuffle, forward rock, back step, walk, step, pivot, left shuffle, walk, step, mark, turn, brush, cross, side, behind, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, drag, rocking chair. Right chasse, back, kickball cross, left chasse, rocking chair. Half shuffle, forward rock, sister step, forward rock, turn shuffle, forward rock, back touch, walks. Jazz, turn, rocking chair, kickball, half shuffle, forward rock, waltz, jazz, turn with it, rocking chair, kickball, half shuffle, forward rock, waltz. Hope you managed that one.